Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Amanda Rodriguez, and I want to thank you for letting me present to you today. Today, I propose a mentoring program called Academic Success Through Youth Empowerment, or ASYE. Students from low socioeconomic families struggle with academic achievement. They lack resources and support from their families. They lack the self-esteem and motivation to perform well in school. Students also tend to lose interest in school, claiming that they will never use this material in the real world. Our students do not believe they will amount to anything in life, and that, unfortunately, is one of the major reasons why our at-risk youth struggles in school. Our students feel as if they don't fit in or are unable to connect with teachers or peers. That is why this mentoring program is a nonprofit program that would greatly benefit these students in need. Our program goal is, in order to provide a strong support system for at-risk youth, we will create meaningful relationships between young adults and high school age students. Through mentorship, at-risk youth will receive the support they need as well as assistance with academic achievement. In order for this program to run smoothly, there are requirements. These include that our mentors must work with nearby school sites to determine which students are at risk and which students are in need of a mentor. We will be open year-round, before and after school. Our mentors will be required to work at least 2 hours per week, and our mentors will provide a ride from the school site to the student's home if necessary. We will provide group and one-on-one sessions to better connect with students on a personal level. There will be one mentor per 4 to 5 students, depending on the need. There will also be quarterly progress reports for each student from their school sites. We will also conduct monthly activities with all members. This includes friendly sports games, friendship building activities, and activities within each group of students and mentors that will enhance their relationship with each other. Our program is staffed with incredible people who are willing to help. We have administrators, which include site coordinators, supervisors to oversee the flow of everyday business, mentors, mentoring experts who provide monthly training sessions for our mentors so they can enhance their mentoring skills and continue to learn every month, and clerical staff. So, who are the mentors? Our mentors are members of the community ranging in age from approximately 21 to 30. Some of our mentors include current college students, recent high school graduates, and even former military service men and women. Our mentors are good standing citizens who have passed a rigorous background check. Our mentors must meet all requirements to work with children and adolescents, including federal, state, and district requirements. They must be able to follow policies and procedures provided by the school district and program administrators. And most important, our mentors are passionate, warm-hearted, and strong-willed individuals who are eager to help. Our mentors must provide a strong support system for each student. They must be a great listener, give advice when necessary, and be a positive role model. Our mentors also provide motivation to excel in school. They also provide tutoring services and homework assistance. Our mentors provide accountability, where our program will team up with each school site and keep record of attendance, as well as collect weekly and monthly progress reports. And lastly, our mentors will provide friendship. This is important because a lot of our students don't have close friends. As a mentor, They can provide a friendship that will last a lifetime. Our students and mentors can trust each other and build on the relationship so the student can always feel like they have someone to go to. Like every great program, there needs to be evaluation. Our program will provide the school district, with quarterly progress reports from each student. Teachers and principals at the school sites will provide monthly behavioral reports with copies going to the mentors, program coordinator, and school district. Both progress reports and the monthly behavioral reports will consist of an extensive report which lists the grades achieved on assignments and exams, as well as the current overall grade in each class. The behavioral reports will show how our students are behaving inside the classroom and outside the classroom, and any updates in progress and behavior as well. This can be behavior towards their peers, their fellow students, their teachers, and any other school personnel. The mentors and mentees will also fill out a survey at the end of every semester. This survey will ask questions regarding the relationship between mentor and mentee. It will provide an area for suggestions and comments for how all personnel and students can improve. And there will be a rating system describing their feelings about the program overall. In terms of resources and sponsors, the program itself will team up with the school district and provide manuals, policies and procedures, and handbooks that will be useful to the mentors as well as other personnel. Supplies such as papers, pen, notebooks, etc. can be donated from community members once the word begins to spread about the program. Supplies can also be donated or purchased by staff if possible. Creating a relationship with the sponsor will be critical and beneficial to the development and success of this program. Neighboring grocery stores, restaurants, and even professional companies can be potential partners. I will now open the floor up to any questions and comments or concerns. However, if there are none, I do thank you in taking the time out of your day to listen to this proposal for this amazing program. I hope you consider implementing academic success through youth empowerment into our school district. Thank you.